is Elizabeth Monroy with Infinite Human, and I am doing this A.S.M.R tape to heal you and relax you. It is to address insomnia. I'm also a Reiki master, so I will be sending you some Reiki, which transcends time and space. And I'm also a certified hypnotherapist, so this will be lulling you into a trance-like state that is very healing. And this particular tape is to address any root chakra problems that stem from being fearful and not feeling safe, which a lot of us feel today. I also work with gemstones. So the first stone is a very grounding stone. And just sit back, relax, and take some nice deep breaths. Breathing in a hand and exhaling peace. I'm going to just pluck any negativity and cords. Many times you have cords surrounding your root chakra, which are attachments to people, thought forms, and anything that keeps you stuck in a place of fear, so you're not able to move forward. Removing all attachments to people that should or shouldn't be in your life. Maybe they're no longer in your life, but you have some residues with them still. And those attachments are keeping you operating from a fear-based mentality. So we want to get rid of that. Bring love, energy. You are safe. You are safe. You are safe. You belong. You belong. You belong. Many of us are, especially spiritual, sensitive people, are afraid to be grounded. This is hematite, a very grounding stone. And to be on the planet, and they long to be somewhere else. place of all the darkness, I'm placing the stabilized energy, grounding energy. Feel it sinking into your root chakra, and allow yourself to feel like you belong, to let go of your fears, releasing them to the universe. Let go of your attachments, let go of your insecurities, and relax, relax. When your root chakra is balanced, then all of your other chakras may come into an alignment. But without that, they cannot. So you must first position your root chakra in the correct energy. And love balances everything. Love, 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 love. To balance this with love. Love, 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 love. And you will find as you use this exercise to balance and clean up your chakra, see it free from any dark spots, see it crystalline, clear, and sparkling with bright diamond-like sparkles in a bright red circle spinning counterclockwise from your pelvis, from the bottom of your coccyx. See it spinning and clean and clear. This will allow you to manifest. This will free you from financial worries and allow you to be and create and be part of this planet.